Ordering data from the LARKI platform is easy. Go to larki.com.au, click to log in, continue with Google or enter your email address, click the Order 3D Data button, enter your site project address. Use the tools on the left-hand side to draw shapes on the map. I'll start with the Path tool. Zoom in and draw a path on the area you're interested in. On the right-hand side, select a data type and click to Add. Use the tools to draw another shape. Select a data type and click to Add. Review your order in the bottom right-hand corner, accept the terms and conditions and click to order data. Enter a project name. Choose a software type and pay using your credit card. Use the File Manager to check for status updates and to download your files. Click the download links. Your file should be ready within 6 hours of ordering. Invite your colleagues by entering their email address and sending them an invitation. Use the 3D viewer to view, navigate, and measure your point clouds all online. Use the measurement tool and take a measurement. Thank you.